Welcome to Vintage RC. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. It's a dedicated RC car channel restoring vintage RC cars, trucks, boats. We also like to do some custom builds around the holiday season, and we'll do new builds as long as that's vintage tie-in. So what we got right here is something quite special. You're looking at 1988 ACOMS/MRC Wellcraft Excalibur 40 Hawk. Just an amazing looking thing. If you know my channel, you know that every year on the last day of summer, we like to take a fully or freshly restored boat and celebrate the summer's farewell out on the water with a boat. No car, no truck, nothing else, just a boat. And this will be our 5th anniversary this time. Last year we did the Kyosho Hurricane, had a blast. If you haven't seen that one, check that video out. Nothing but fun. And we had a lot of fun with this one as well. When I got this one, I got it a couple years ago off eBay. It was about $140. Buy it now, free shipping, and I jumped on it because these are kind of tough to get. This one wasn't in terrible condition. It still had all the posts and the railings and bits and stuff that I wanted. So it was not missing any of that stuff. Just one little tiny antenna. And that's pretty much it. When I got it though, I was hoping that it would have another set of decals in it. It did not, unfortunately. So I had to print my own out on my printer and remove all these and make copies of the ones that were on here. That was a pain. That took forever. And yeah. Also, all these little pieces are all super glued on here. Had to literally break them off, fix them, and then glue them right back on. So very tedious job to do one of these boats if it's already built up. To do any boat that's already been built and then to deconstruct it is a job. Sometimes even harder than RC cars. But yeah, just craziness, but a beautiful craziness. Let me show you inside of this guy. The cockpit area turned out really cool. Look at that. It's just super nice. We've done so much of this thing. There's the inside. It's using a 12-turn 550 TLAN motor. Just basically a Traxxas 550 kind of motor. It's got a cooling fan inside, and they pump out around a little over 22,000 RPM. So not a slow motor by no means. It is a 3 styled armature. This one is a very special boat. Like I was going to say, the unit has actually a special transmission. It's like a 3-to-1 transmission. I'll show you. Yeah, 3-to-1 reduction transmission for high performance. So not a direct drive unit. It's just very cool. So it's very special. You see a lot of the direct drive boats, but this has got some extra engineering into it. These were distributed. Let's see here, by Horizon Hobbies. So Horizon Hobbies kind of got a bunch of them, I imagine, and then distributed it out. That's what they did a lot. This was pushed out from Japan. So just very good stuff. The earliest example I've ever found on one of these was around 87. And it had a couple different things on it than this one, but pretty close. This is a year younger. It's 88. Just super cool. Highly recommend you guys get one of these. They're a lot of fun. So very neat. It took a lot of work to get that 550 in there and the reduction unit. That's why you don't really see too many people restoring these and keeping the reduction unit. They'll do a direct drive system in it because you can do that. Because you have to be able to pull off the old pinion on the 540 because it's not an Allen key removal type. It is actually pressed on, and I have a special tool that I use in order to take those pinions off, and I was able to put it on the bigger 550 motor. But I had to sand the armature end down quite a bit in order for that pinion to slide on, and then super glue it pretty much. So a lot of work to do it. Also the steering, not the best design because it's plastic, and that Allen key, when you tighten it up, it just kind of keeps spinning. So it doesn't really work that great. So highly recommend you guys, if you're going to be doing one of these, take your time and even maybe see if you could get an aftermarket steering assembly for it. They do have stuff like that for boats that are universal. But I really wanted to use the reduction drive line. This one also comes with another prop on the back, a red one, and I don't know what I've done with my red one. So, but it has the black version on here for just cruising. The red one actually is the faster one, but I don't imagine it's too much faster. I don't think it really is. So that's pretty much it. We do a lot of painting. Everything was repainted and, like I said, re-decaled. A lot of work. So I'm not going to bore you guys too much. We're going to go straight into what it took to make this guy come back to life, and then we're going to hit the water. That's going to start right now. All right, here we are. We're going to open this bad boy up. Okay, so got some old decals on a sheet. Probably could save those. What that is? Something in Japanese. Probably safety stuff. Old windscreen looks pretty rough. Instructions. And there's our manual. Very nice. Parts. Top wing section. There. No breaks or nothing, so that's good. A little bit of the indentation there. Not in bad shape, actually, so far. Blue residue. All right, I think we're going to be pretty good. Let's go ahead and take this thing apart, pull the decals off, and clean it up and start restoring it. Alright, here we go. Just a little bit to the left. Send a little to the right. Running good. Nothing like running a boat on the last day of summer. There's something over there. It's got some pretty good speed to it. Go Excalibur! Could use some tabs in the back. 550's doing its job. Alrighty. Looks so good. Another pass by, and I think we're gonna bring her on in. It reminds me a lot of the Jetstream. I think this propeller is probably more on the economy side. Next time, maybe I'll do another video with the red one. Yeah, got plenty of get up and go. That's a little bit of a lean. I got to get the balance right. But yeah, I think that's going to do it for this one. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much. I think she turned out awesome. Please stay tuned for my next one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all. Yep. Alligators in the pond. Still gonna run the boat. It's the last day of summer. He better not mess with my boat. That's all I'm saying. Look at him. Stay back, alligator.